Jai Hind everyone, and I, Ujjwal Chugh, author, founder, How to Crack SSB, welcome all of you once again to the channel. And this is the OLQ podcast series in which I will going to touch each and every OLQ in upcoming episodes. We will going to get into the detailed insight of every OLQ so that you can actually make that OLQ as a part of your personality. Just go with the episodes, and I'm sure that this will going to give you a very strong knowledge, understanding to inculcate that officer-like quality within your personality. So till now, if you have not subscribed the channel, go forward, subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon so that for all the upcoming episodes, for all the upcoming videos and the podcast on officer-like quality, you must get the automatic notification.
So today we will be starting with the social adjustment, and under social adjustment we will be discussing the very first OLQ, very important, social adaptability. Now please take this particular part of OLQ very sincerely, though every OLQ is very important, but why I am saying, because I'll tell you, the social adjustment head is a must for every armed forces officer. By any chance your effective intelligence is average, reasoning is average, organizing is average, it will still be accepted. But by any chance you are average on the front of social adjustment, you will not be accepted in Indian Armed Forces as an officer. And I believe all of you know the reason why. Because social adjustment means that you can adjust yourself as per the circumstances, as per the situation. And a life of an officer is not restricted to any particular geography. Neither you can say that you will get a particular kind of a situation or an environment, nor you can even predict it. At times you need to be into a situation which for any common man is absolutely non-acceptable, and conditions which a person can't even think of. You need to be in a jungle, you need to be in the most remotest of the remote areas. So the idea is, if you are not able to adjust yourself socially within the SSB, the assessors will not going to recommend you at any cost. So this head is a must head for every aspirant looking forward to be an officer in Indian Armed Forces. So starting with the very first OLQ under social adjustment head, and that is social adaptability. Now what is social adaptability? So social adaptability is something I would say I've always been talking about. Social adaptability, as the name says, that how much easily and how much spontaneously you are able to adjust yourself within a particular situation and a given environment. So the example is very simple. So let's say, for example, I stay in a particular area, I stay in Delhi, and by one or the another reason I have to go from Delhi to any place, and wherever I go, even let's say the most remotest area, let's say I am in Orissa, in any village of Orissa, there also it's completely perfectly fine for me. I am not in any condition, or it is not creating any uneasy situation or uneasy condition for me. This is what is called as social adaptability. That means I as a person can adapt whichever environment I have been given, whichever environment I have been able to take. This is what an Indian Armed Forces officer must possess. And if you as an aspirant really want to be an officer, please adhere to this, because Indian Armed Forces is always a less ordinary life, and less ordinary means everything you have to welcome, and you don't know what will going to come your way, and in what situation and at what level. So the idea is social adaptability. What it is very easy to understand, as I have already discussed, and I believe majority of you must have already known about it, that what it is. Now the very important part comes in, which is the basis of all the OLQs, and which is the basis in every OLQ that I have been discussing, that how to imbibe that officer like quality within you. So social adaptability and understanding is very simple, as I've already explained you. So let's directly move on to the part that how you can imbibe social adaptability within your own self. आप social adaptability को अपने अंदर कैसे ला सकते हैं. एक important point बहुत, before I just start with how to imbibe social adaptability within yourself. Please remember one thing, that social adaptability is always something which you take by heart, and it is not something which you do just by force. Please remember this thing. मजबूरी में अगर आप कर रहे हैं तो that doesn't mean you are socially adaptable. If you are able to do it by heart, then only it means you are socially adaptable. So please don't confuse between just managing a situation or taking it by heart. Social adaptability doesn't mean just to manage with a situation. Social adaptability means to take it by heart. So now coming back to the point, how to imbibe social adaptability within yourself. अब सबसे बड़ी बात आती है, the most important point, that why we are not so adaptable. And if majority of you, because you all are the aspirants, young youth, you must agree with me that now what I see, majority of youth they have a very low adaptability, they have very low social adaptability. What social adaptability used to be earlier, down the line 5, 10 years, 20 years back, now the case is not the same. The level of adaptability has gone so down that it is something which is not even acceptable from the youth. Now why it has happened? Because you need to understand why it has happened, and from there only you will get a way to understand that how you can actually imbibe within your own personality that we are talking on. So what happens is, when we do or when we keep ourselves in any environment, or when we start anything, or when we start, let's say, following any normal routine life, or I can say I live in a particular area, in a particular place, in a particular city. So anything what I do on regular basis, slowly and slowly, unconsciously, I actually take it within my own perception, and I become a slave of it. Or in other words, it becomes my routine. So what happens is, when something comes in your routine, what is the routine? Routine is anything that is happening unconsciously. Unconsciously वो हो रहा है आपके अंदर ही अंदर. So something which comes within you unconsciously, that will going to take a form of a habit. So habit is nothing. Your routine gradually and slowly converts into a habit. So what happens is, मैं एक काम को करना शुरू होता हूँ, धीरे धीरे वो मेरी रूटीन होती है, और धीरे धीरे वो मेरी आदत बन जाती है. जैसे कि if let's say I have always been into a particular place where my birth has taken place, and I have not been a person who has been always going here and there, or my family has not taken me out to various places. So what will happen? Unconsciously and gradually, as I'll grow, I will going to develop this as a routine and gradually as my habit कि मुझे बाहर जाने में दिक्कत होगी. सेकेंड रीजन, साथ ही साथ में the kind of facilities and the ease I have been getting at my own place. If by any chance I go to any other place and I won't get that particular ease, it will going to become again a problem for me because I have been in a routine and further in a habit of all those facilities and those amenities. I'll give you a very simple example. बहुत सारे youth जो इस समय the ones who will be watching the show right now, they will agree with me. मैं आजकल खासकर we have seen this in Metropolitan from the day we have started taking the trends of Western culture. A very basic thing I'm saying, very basic. So now we are used to the all the Western English toilets. We are not used to Indian toilets. So I have seen this particularly not in the youth, but I would say in many of my friends as well, that now a situation has come with them that they are not able to use Indian toilets. They are not able to sit on Indian toilets. So they say कि जब हम बैठते हैं इंडियन टॉयलेट्स में तो हमारे घुटनों में दर्द होता है, हम बैठ ही नहीं सकते. So the idea is just because of few facilities or because of a particular, I would say, ease that we have been granted with or with anything that has come, हमने उसको इस्तेमाल करते 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 अपनी रूटीन से हैबिट में इस तरीके से डाल लिया कि इतनी बेसिक सी चीज हमारी जरूरत बन गई है. एंड व्हेन आई से समथिंग हैज बिकम योर हैबिट, आपकी जरूरत बन गई है, दैट इनडायरेक्टली मीन्स यू हैव बिकम अ स्लेव ऑफ इट. मतलब उसके बिना आपको हमेशा दर्द होगा, पेन होगा, एडजस्टमेंट नहीं हो पाएगी. एंड एज आई राइटली सेड that if you are managing with it forcefully, you are not able to do it by heart, it doesn't mean that you are socially adaptable. So that is why I have seen you will see many youth when they'll go to any let's say places which are not well equipped or which do not have very good facility, they will have even a problem with a just simple lifestyle of going to toilet, as simple as that. And they will be like कि भाई यहाँ से चलो, भागो यहाँ से. And tell me one thing, my friends, all those who are looking forward to be the officer in Indian Armed Forces, tell me one thing very simple. भाई आपको अगर कभी किसी वजह से किसी भी जगह ऐसी सिचुएशन में जाना पड़ गया, लड़ाई पे जाना पड़ गया, या फ्रंट पे या बॉर्डर पे या LOC के आसपास आपको सर्व करना पड़ा, तो वहाँ तो आपको इंग्लिश टॉयलेट नहीं मिलेंगे, वहाँ तो आपको जंगल में जाना पड़ेगा. Now at that time you say, I cannot actually, I'm only used to a Western toilet. That means first तो बहुत दूर की बात, आप एक बेसिक लाइफ में किसी नॉर्मल जगह पे भी सक्सेसफुल नहीं हो सकते, क्योंकि सक्सेसफुल आर दोज पीपल हु आर नॉट स्लेव ऑफ एनीथिंग. दे आर द मास्टर ऑफ देयर ओन सेल्फ, दे आर नॉट स्लेव्स ऑफ थिंग्स. सो प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड दैट why social adaptability is getting ruined and why we are not so adaptable, or in other words, why things are becoming problem for us, because we do the things slowly, unconsciously becomes a routine, and from routine it takes a shape of a habit. So from this I can draw a consensus, and the consensus is habit is the source of pain. The manifestation of pain is habit, or in other words, habit is something which will not going to evolve your social adaptability. Habit will going to kill your social adaptability. So if you have understood the very root of social adaptability, that why it is getting hampered, you have understood the very root that why social adaptability is getting hampered. So now you can understand how to imbibe it. So imbibing social adaptability is very simple. and that is you need to understand that you need to break any habit pattern. That is, you need to understand and ensure that you need not bring anything in your habit. Now the question arises, how to do it and how I can ensure that something will not become my habit. यहाँ पर एक सबसे important सवाल, before I tell you how you need to ensure that something should not become your habit, because बहुत सारे लोगों के मन में ये सवाल आ रहा होगा that we have been told right from our childhood and even in our teenage by our parents, teachers and elders that you must embrace good habits in your life. Don't keep bad habits, keep good habits. Then you might be thinking कि अगर वो आज तक ये बताते आए हैं तो जो मैं बता रहा हूँ तो यानी कि वो तो एक गलत हो गया. मैं कह रहा हूँ कि जी हैबिट ही मत होने दो और उन्होंने बोला है कि मत होने दो, बैड मत होने दो. So let me tell you, so there is a lack of understanding due to the ignorance. And what is that? Let me tell you, there is nothing good or a bad habit. These are our just self notions and limited perception through which we have created these words. There is nothing good or a bad habit. Habit itself is a bad thing, or in other words, habit itself is something which is a source of problem. I won't call it as a bad, rather I would call it as a source of a problem. Now it could be a habit of anything which will definitely going to be a source of a problem. Like I'll give you a best example. So जिस चीज के लिए हम बोलते हैं कि you have some good habits. So what is a good habit? So good habit is like, for example, we say कि ऐसे सारे लोगों से संगति से दूर रहो जो लोग नशा करते हैं. The ones who take toxicated things, the ones who drink, the ones who smoke. That is absolutely correct that you should not drink, you should not smoke, but you need to understand why. But जब हम बोलते हैं कि एक अच्छी आदत है कि उन लोगों से दूर रहो. Now tell me one thing. अगर आप शुरुआत से हैबिट बना ली आपने कि आपको उन लोगों से दूर रहना और आप दूर रहे, तो इसका मतलब ये है नाउ यू आर प्रोन टू ऑल दोज पीपल. जैसे एग्जाम्पल देता हूं मैं बहुत सिंपल सा. डिसीज किसे होता है, बीमारी किसे होती है? जो होस्ट होता है हमेशा एक माइक्रोब, एक बैक्टीरिया, एक डिसीज, मलेरिया, डेंगू, कोई भी ले लीजिए, वो हमेशा उसी को अटैक करता है. उसके लिए होस्ट वही बनता है जो सबसे ज्यादा प्रोन होता है, यानी कि जो सबसे ज्यादा उस चीज को लेके कम से कम इम्यून होता है और सबसे ज्यादा उस चीज को पकड़ में आ सकता है, इन्फेक्ट हो सकता है इजीली. और इन्फेक्ट वही चीज होती है जो उस चीज से हमेशा दूर रही है, उस चीज को हमेशा रेजिस्ट करती हुई आई है. सो द आइडिया इज in a very simple way, drinking or smoking should not be done. That is absolutely correct, but always staying away from it will going to bring you and will going to put you in a problem, because any day, because this is in this life, आपको randomly इधर से उधर जाना पड़ेगा and you will meet so many people. When you will meet so many people, you cannot avoid this very common possibility that you might not get some people around you who smoke and drink. And अगर आपने शुरू से एक नोशन बनाई है कि ये चीज गलत है, गलत है, गलत है, तो at that particular point of time आप उस एनवायरमेंट को अडेप्ट नहीं कर पाएंगे. आप उस पर्टिकुलर सिचुएशन के अंडर आकर के फंस जाएंगे, स्लेव हो जाएंगे. एंड मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंटली उससे अगर और ज्यादा एक स्टेप आगे बढ़ के देखें तो हम, क्योंकि हमने एक चीज की नोशन बनाई हुई है दैट ड्रिंकिंग एंड स्मोकिंग इज बैड, वी विल फॉर्म अ रॉन्ग नोशन कि वो आदमी ही खराब है, दैट पर्सन इज बैड, which doesn't mean that person is bad. So the idea is, this proves the very basis and of the very fact that we have this wrong understanding and notion that keep some good habits or bad habits please understand, habit itself is a very, very bad thing. So from now onwards, please don't keep any habit. Don't keep any habit. Now the final point arrives, how to ensure that something should not become your habit. बहुत सिंपल तरीका, साइंटिफिक समझ लो, बहुत सिंपल सा तरीका दूंगा आपको और बहुत ही सिंपल लगेगा. एंड जस्ट ट्रस्ट मी, implement in your life, and I guarantee you nothing will going to come in your habit, and you will never be a slave of anything, and you will be 100% socially adaptable. And what is that? The very simple idea of getting out of the cycle of habit is to cut your daily routine patterns. जो आपका डेली रूटीन लाइफ है उसको आप खुद periodically कुछ टाइम के बाद तोड़ते रहो. Like I'll give you an example. So people who say that I eat 3 meals. So to them I tell them, आप every week or every 3-4 days start cutting down your 1 or 2 meals. Now the idea is this will going to have a health benefit also. भाई कहीं ना कहीं थोड़ा सा आप किसी पर्टिकुलर खाने को लेकर के परहेज करेंगे तो वैसे भी अच्छा है, बट एट द सेम पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम यू विल नॉट डेवलप अ हैबिट साइकिल और साइकोलॉजिकली हैबिट पैटर्न. छोटी छोटी चीजें सब में आपको ब्रेक करना है, तो माइंड में जो अनकॉन्शियसली साइकोलॉजिकली चीजों का हैबिट बनाने की आदत होती है ना, वो भी तोड़नी जरूरी है. सो यू माइट से कि यार मेरे को हैबिट स्मोकिंग की है और आप मुझे खाने के लिए कह रहे हैं कि जी खाने को ब्रेक करो. Why I am saying? Because mind, you're psychologically, it has a habit to take things in a habitual form. तो वो जो साइकोलॉजिकल पैटर्न है उसको भी तोड़ना जरूरी है, और वो तभी टूटेगा जब आपकी जो नॉर्मल आदतें हैं, नॉर्मल डेली लाइफ की रूटीन चीजें, उनको भी आप तोड़ेंगे. सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई सेड फॉर द फूड, फॉर योर मील. इन द सेम वे, at times there are people you will see who say I never go out of my home without taking a bath. So to all of those who say that I cannot go out of my house without taking a bath, I tell them कि भाई भगवान ना करे, just because of anything at any point of time किसी दिन अगर सूखा पड़ गया, there is a drought, so you will say I cannot live, I'll die, क्योंकि मैं नहा के नहीं गया, भाई मैं नहा नहीं पा रहा. Tell me one thing, मतलब अगर आप नहा नहीं पा रहे तो जिंदगी खत्म हो जाएगी क्या? सो द वेरी बेसिस इज यू शुड नॉट कम इन दैट हैबिट. सो टू ऑल दोज पीपल हु हैव दिस काइंड ऑफ अ माइंडसेट, आई टेल देम दैट प्लीज इन 15 days go out of your home, go to your work, go to your place without taking a bath. And trust me, I do it with myself, and I do it with myself and I tell it to so many people and to my team members as well कि मैं 15 दिन 20 दिन में कभी भी अचानक से बिना नहाए आ जाऊंगा और आप लोग बता भी नहीं पाएंगे, and I'll be more energetic than you, just because of the fact because I believe in breaking the habit pattern. उसको तोड़ने में, अगर आपने किसी भी रूटीन को तोड़ना सीख लिया और उसको तोड़ने के लिए आप हमेशा एक्टिव हो गए, nothing will going to come into your habit. वो हैबिट में कभी आएगा ही नहीं. लास्ट वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एग्जाम्पल आई जस्ट कोट, क्योंकि यूथ के लिए वैसे भी बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट है. आजकल हमारे यहाँ आदत हो गई है, स्पेसिफिकली इन मेट्रोपॉलिटन्स, द यूथ हैज बिकम, दे आर नाउ दी आउल्स, आई वुड से. ग्रेवयार्ड शिफ्ट में रहने की आदत हो गई है, परभक्षी बन चुके हैं. सो पीपल एंड स्पेसिफिकली यूथ, they have the habit to sleep at 4 in the night now regularly. So I'm saying if you're doing something productive, it is not bad if you are sleeping late, but the important is, are you again in a habit of that? Then it is a problem. So all those people who say कि I always sleep in the late night at 3 or 4, I tell them no problem, in a week or 15 days आप 4 बजे सो, but उस दिन के लिए आप जल्दी 9, 10, 11 बजे सो जाना. एंड सेकेंडली, जब आप 4 बजे सोते हो, गेट बैक टू योर वर्क लेटेस्ट बाय 8 o'clock. ये मत बोलना कि जी हम 10-11 बजे 4 बजे सोए थे 10-11 बजे तक सोएंगे, बिकॉज इफ यू आर डूइंग दैट देन अगेन यू विल डेवलप अ हैबिट. और किसी कारणवश कभी आपको जल्दी सोना पड़ गया और जल्दी उठना पड़ गया, सो यू विल से कि भाई मुझे तो नींद ही नहीं आती, मैं 4 बजे से पहले सोता ही नहीं. In the same way, to all those people who say, I go early to bed and I always rise early, I recommend them, it is very good, but please don't make it a habit. Because if it is a habit, then again it will be a problem. क्योंकि भगवान ना करे कभी आपको किसी कारणवश लेट तक जागना पड़ गया, तो you will say कि भाई मेरे लिए तो बहुत बड़ी प्रॉब्लम हो गई. So to all those people, I always say that every fourth nightly, आप जान करके कोई काम ना भी हो ना 2-3 बजे तक बैठे रहो. Resist yourself. So in this way you will break your regular patterns which are unconsciously getting converted into a habit, which will ultimately going to invite a pain, because habit is equal to pain, as we have already discussed in a very scientific way. So very simple to all the candidates, social adaptability is must for being an officer, and that will be assessed very aggressively at every stage in the SSB. So please, if at any place you feel that you are not adaptable, आपको खुद भी लगता है, start working right from today itself. And I've already given you the reason why it happens and how to imbibe the same within your own self. So please start working on it right from today, because it is must when it comes to SSB. And let me give you one more suggestion. If you're not going for an officer, it's simply just that you want to be successful in your life in any dimension, because life is unpredictable. You need to be adaptable for being truly successful in your life.
All right. And I'm sure that you must have got the powerful learnings from this podcast, from this video. Now, what I want you to do here is just go forward and below in the comment box below this video, write your top 3 learnings that you have learned from this detailed podcast. And I'm sure you must have learned a lot of things. Just write the crux top 3 learnings. And I'll personally going to review the same, and I'll going to reply back onto it. All right. And I'm sure that a lot of people who are watching this podcast, who are watching this video, and a lot of them, you are the part of the How to Crack SSB family only, the How to Crack SSB community, and a lot of you might not be a part of it. But this podcast series is just to give you those detailed insights about the officer-like quality. And the ones who are already a part of How to Crack SSB transformational journey as a part of the family, they must be knowing that they are already going with a transformational experience, as they're talking to me live every week, and I keep on getting their comments, and I can see the change coming within them. All those who are new to this channel, or the ones who are not the part of the community right now, if you really desire to have that experience, if you really want to get that transformation within yourself in order to start your successful SSB recommendation journey, so here I have a great thing for all of you. Below in the description, there is a link to my free webinar. Click on the link, register for the webinar, and in that webinar, I would going to share the top 3 secrets for SSB recommendation, and also I would going to give you an insights of SSB recommendation blueprint program course journey. Once you will see that transformational program, trust me, you will be blown off. Your mind will be blown off, and every week, lot of aspirants are joining this journey. They are enrolling them, and they are getting that transformation, and they're getting that current of 10,000 volt while they're going with this journey. So if you are committed for Indian Armed Forces, you are committed to bring that non-uniform officer within yourself. If you are committed to bring that transformation within yourself. So here, catch the opportunity, go forward, register for the webinar, and I'll be in there in the webinar. And in the webinar, all of you who are really serious, let me guarantee you that I would going to show you something. After watching that, you will not be able to resist yourself, and you will definitely going to go forward and become a part of that particular journey. So I will also going to give you some special privileges within the webinar. So just go forward and register for it, and I'll catch you guys over there. And till now, If you have not subscribed the channel, just go forward, subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon so that you must get the notification for further podcast and the videos. And also, if you really have liked this podcast and the video, please go forward, click on the like video and just share the link of this video on your social media with other aspirants to whom you are connected so that this can benefit to everyone. Because I am on the mission along with the team of How to Crack SSB and the veteran. We are on a mission to create 100,000 officers, channelize 100,000 youth to become the officers in Indian Armed Forces. So I want you to see and I want you to be a part of that mission. So go forward, have a great learning, keep sharing the great thing and register for the webinar and start your recommendation journey. Bye bye, thank you, take care and I really love you all. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.